President Advocate Nelson Chamisa has once again demonstrated clarity of thought, moral courage, and unmatched understanding of Zimbabwe's crisis through his Agenda 2026, a fresh start statement. It is an excellent, commendable, and coherent intervention that speaks directly to the pain, hopes, and aspirations of ordinary citizens. Sarabina Mashkumrani watching special advice to the people's president, Advocate Nelson Chamisa, deal with opposition within opposition. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnahodani wa mjinzi. President Chamisa continues to stand out as the people's president, principled, consistent, and unapologetically citizen-centered. His articulation of Zimbabwe's challenges is neither emotional nor reckless, but grounded in the lived reality and a deep appreciation of the nation's history and unfinished struggle. Our nation faces a pivotal moment and stands at a critical juncture. President Chamisa said the promise of independence is not yet translated into rapid accelerated transformation, shared prosperity, dignity, and opportunity for all. This framing alone captures the essence of the Zimbabwe's predicament. President Chamisa correctly diagnoses the country as being trapped in a disputed national process, worsening economic hardships, political uncertainty, social collapse, and moral decay. His observation that government services have become partisan tools rather than constitutional rights resonates with millions who feel excluded in their own country. However, as the people's president charts a clear path forward, there is a crucial word of advice that must be stated plainly and honestly. The struggle for democratic change is being undermined by opposition within opposition. There are elements within the broader opposition movement who have abandoned the people's cause in favor of personal comfort. These are individuals satisfied with occupying local government and national assembly seats while quietly sabotaging the collective struggle. Some have allegedly taken bribes, others have collaborated with the system they claim to oppose, weakening the opposition from within. This betrayal is what President Chamisa implicitly exposes when he speaks of illegal recourse, hijacking of genuine opposition, and state capture. These acts are not accidental, they are deliberate attempts by treacherous elements to frustrate the people's will and neutralize a genuine alternative. Toma developments and talk about for PANECHAMISA channels of grow able to be able to repeat it. So subscribe or like it on the bell icon.